Hello YouTube or people, whatever you guys want me to say. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own ringtone and how to get a ringtone from a app called Ringtones right over here. So let's start. First of all, you will need to go to let me go to my Galaxy. I love Galaxy, so I'm gonna go to Galaxy. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store right over here. This App Store. It looks different in iPhone and iPad, but then you need to type in ringtones in a search bar. Then all this result will come up. You want to download this one, this ringtones, this one. So once you download it, then go back to that application ringtones, the application ringtone, this application ringtone, click on it and get any kind of ringtone you like. I like Bollywood, I would go in Bollywood. Newest, most download, most common, comment, whatever. Let's look for a good one, then I'll download that. Okay, let me download download ringtone. Once you download it, it's gonna show you up here the download bar. Download it, but I still don't have it in my contact, the ringtone list. I'm not gonna have this ringtone available in my contact list. So what I need to do, and what you need to do also, is go to iTunes, go to the devices, and go to summary. Go downstairs. Go down to the apps. Go down. It says file sharing. You want to click on ringtone app and click on down to, or whatever ringtone you downloaded. Drag it to the desktop. Make sure your ringtone has to be M4R extension. That's an extension that iPhone or iPod recognize for the ringtones, M4R. Then what you want to do, go to the tones, drag this M4R down to over here. It's gonna be over here. Make sure all the rings tone that you make or will be downloaded by app, it will be less than 29 seconds. You see it over here. So once you download it, then go to your phone or iPod, sync it. Like my tones is sync all tones no matter what. So I sync it all the tones. Once it's complete, I'll get back to you. So you see I'm almost done. It's syncing step 5 out of 5. Waiting changes to be applied. Come on, do it quick. Okay, canceling sync. I never canceled one. There we go, check it. So I go to contents. I go to any contents, just for example, and then I want to change my ringtone. So I have all my ringtones around here. So these are the ringtones. After these ringtones are available by the company, but these ringtones up here, Not Afraid, Tu Mera Hero, or whatever, Radhe Krishna Best, those are downloaded and I made it myself. So that's one way you could get ringtones, or you could create your own ringtones if you guys like. If you guys want. The way you can create is go to music, choose a song, any song you guys like. Let's see, like Rascal's song. Okay, hey Rascal. So I wanna go to advanced, create AAC version. AAC is basically you creating a copy of the file that you selected, and you will reformat it in the size that you decided. I'll show you what I mean. So make sure you right click on it and get info. Make sure the file that you clicked and get info is AAC file, not the original file. Okay, AAC file. Then what you want to do is go to option and choose the start time of a ringtone and the end time, whatever you guys like, but it has to be less than 30 seconds or 29. It has to maximum is 29 seconds. So I want to make it to 0. I could make it to, let's say, 1 minute. Start at 1 minute and 59 seconds. And that stop time is that. Or you could equalize the present. You want to make it a buzz, classic, dance, hip hop. I want to make it pop. Then click OK. Right? Then once you have that, don't make sure. Then you want to create AAC of the AAC file. Create an AAC version of AAC file that you created earlier. So it will come up to be 25 seconds over here. 25 seconds. Then you wanna click on it and show in the finder. Where is it? Over here. You see it? Okay. So now what you wanna do is delete this file and this file, both files. Delete them. But you wanna keep the file. Okay? You don't wanna delete both. Move to trash. Then you wanna change this extension M4A to M4R. That way you could make it as a ringtone. So now this is, then what you have to do is just drag that to a ringtone place, and there you go. Hey Rascals over here. 29 seconds. Look at this. 25 seconds. Whatever it was. 25 seconds. Then you just sync it. It's gonna start syncing. I'll come back once it's done. So until then, let me go back to OS 7. Okay. So I'm at OS 7. Still syncing my iPhone. Sorry, my video, it's in an iPhone, it's a little laggy, but it's pretty smooth in a real life because it's a Wi-Fi connection to my Mac, so it's not really gonna be perfect, but it's laggy a little bit. And plus I'm using iDemo, which is a trial version of it, so you gotta bear with it. So what you wanna do now next, you wanna go to contact. So over here, there you go, contact. Over here, contact. Then you want to go to part. Wait, let me see. It's sync, cancel, sync. Let me just see if I got it or not. No, I haven't got it yet, but I gotta check it. What's the problem over there? I gotta figure out what's the problem. I gotta go back to default. Sorry, it's taking a little time. I have to turn it off my device and turn back on. Oh. It's gonna come up. Wait, okay, it's coming back on. Searching for device. Hate this. Hate this. Hate this. Hate this. We hate this when it gets stuck. Until then, let me go on my Facebook. Oh, Neil poked me. You can move this to trash. Oh, let's go. It's gonna take forever to come back on. Oh, it's back. It's back. Okay, it's back. Let me just go back to Dreamboard and turn it back to default, and then turn the on. Okay. Okay, so I'm back to this, and then it's syncing my iPod. It's gonna sync. You may also wanna download these apps. It's a really good game. Just right back. I'll be right back. Sua. Wait, what the video પછી આલો શું
ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ વાળા
Sorry guys, it's still syncing. Now it's done. So let me go back to my contact, and it should be a, let's see, hopefully, yeah, there you go, Dawn 2, as you can hear it. Yeah, there you go, my over here, there you go, I got a ringtone, Dawn 2, Black and Yellow, Doom, everything. So thanks a lot for watching this video guys. Bye. And if you guys wanna know how did I got this themes cool feature called Dreamboard, then please just click on like. If I get more than 6 likes, I'll create another video, and see you next time.